Why are crypto investors so toxic? Let's talk about it. No one likes bad news, and no one likes bad news, especially when there's money involved. That's the case with a sizable amount of cryptocurrency investors. I won't say all, but no FUD, right? If you're not aware, FUD stands for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I once attended a sales seminar about investing in real estate through flipping houses using hard lenders. They asked everyone one by one before the seminar, "Are you pumped to be here? Ready to change your life?" And I was like, yeah, sure, I'm doubtful, but I'm willing to learn. And for some reason, he looked a little annoyed at that answer. He wanted enthusiasm and certainty from me. Of course, he wanted to sell me a very expensive training course, so I understood his behavior. Anyway, that story relates to the toxic nature of crypto investors. When I watch videos about crypto being a scam or someone sharing doubt on a Facebook group page or whatever, they are immediately attacked for having such a negative opinion. Even my recent video on Bitcoin going to zero, my other videos had 95% likes. But this video, which happens to be bad news about cryptocurrency, has a 60.8% like. And the comments are all about the same. You don't know anything about cryptos, Bitcoin is the future, you don't get what Bitcoin can do, diamond hands, etc, etc. I mean, do you really know anything about cryptos either? This toxicity is a reasonable reaction. It all comes down to money. 90% of people in these Facebook groups or who watch these videos own that specific cryptocurrency or some crypto in general. They have a financial stake in that crypto even if they did little research on it, and they interpret the meaning of decentralized when a small group of people control a majority of the coin or token. By the way, the median, not average, crypto investor only puts in about $50. They see a low price, they own millions of Shiba Inu for example, and they calculate that if it hits $1, they'll be a millionaire. Cryptocurrency investors are some of the most sensitive and toxic people on earth, seriously. Some of these groups, there's a noob asking a simple question and he or she is quickly laughed at for asking such a stupid question. Many just say scroll up, it's been answered already, or do your own research. Asking questions in a crypto group page is part of doing research. This stems from having little to no discipline in money and overall investing. Your comment will not change market sentiment on your favorite crypto. You're simply too small of a player to make any meaningful change on your own. But someone like Elon Musk or the entire country of China can influence the price of a decentralized token. I'm not hating on cryptos, I have money in some of them, but toxic holders with their community isn't welcoming, especially to critical thinkers who just want to ask the simple questions. If you're called an idiot every time you ask a question, you're more hesitant to ask any more questions. You'll probably just join the mob and attack that noob who dares ask that question. It's like being at a political rally, a concert, or a sporting event. Everyone is cheering and clapping. Even if you're not that interested in the event, you're going to clap, you're going to cheer. Everyone's doing it. You just look weird not going with it. Anyway, it's human nature to stray away from bad news. No one likes bad news, especially when it comes to your money. In this world where anyone can stay hidden behind their keyboards, they can comment anything to push the news away from such negativity. Whatever bad news they hear, they say it's fake news, or this always happened, just hold, or they just attack the person. Diamond hands, am I right? But it's mostly just FOMO. Here's a rule to live by. If you can get into investment with little to no research behind that decision, you're not really investing, you're speculating, and FOMO is a real thing. So what are your thoughts? What is one cryptocurrency you think will go to the moon? If you like this video, hit that like button, consider subscribing. I talk about money and everything related to it, so don't miss out. And as always, take care of your money.